Hello student, chapter number 6, square and square roots. Okay, in that exercise 6.4, today we start with question number 3. Okay, 1 and 2 already solved. Third one, find the square root of the following decimal numbers. Okay, here total 5 questions are there. We solve fourth out of them. Okay, here find the square root of following decimal numbers. So you are allowed to use any method, otherwise you just find out with prime factorization method, otherwise division method. Here in first and second we use prime factorization method, and in next two we use division method. Okay, first one is 2.56. so how to find out that one? Look, 2.56, okay, equal to, just write down 256 divided by 100, means in rational form. Then factorize both number. Okay, so factors of 256 equal to, that is divided by 2, 1, 2 za and 8 za, again 2 za 64, then 2 za 32, then 2 za 16, 2 8 za, 2 4 za, 2 2 za and 2 1 za. Okay, and factors of 100, that is 2, 50, 2, 25, 5, 5 and 5 ones. Okay, now make pair of 2 here, double, double. Okay, same here. So factors of 256, they are 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 4 times. 2 square, 2 square, 2 square and 2 square, and 100, that is 2 square and 5 square. 2 square, 5 square. Now you want to find out square root of 2.56 equal to square root of 256 divided by 100 equal to square root of, factors are here, they are 2 square, 2 square, 2 square and 2 square divided by 2 square and 5 square. Now just remove square and square root. Okay, so that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 5 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 divided by 10, 5 2s are 10, and 16 upon 10, that is 1.6. Okay, so square root of 2.56 equal to 1.6. That's your answer. Okay, this one is prime factorization method. One more sum. Look, second one, that is 7.29. Same here, just write down 729 divided by 100. Now factorize 7 to 9, that is not divisible by 2, so start with 3, 3 2s are 6 and 4s are and 3s are, again 3s are 8 and 1, again 3s are 27, again 3s are 9, then 3s are 3 and 3s are 1. Okay, and 100, they are 2, 50, 2, 25, 5, 5 and 5 ones are. Okay, pair of 2s here, same here. Okay, so write down into square form, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square, same here, 2 square, 5 square. Okay, so square root of 7.29 equal to square root of 729 divided by 100 equal to square root of, now factors are here, 3 square, 3 square, 3 square divided by 2 square and 5 square. Now remove that squares, 3 into 3 into 3 divided by 10 equal to 3 3s are, sorry, 2 into 5. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 divided by 10 equal to 2.7. So square root of 7.29 equal to 2.7. Okay, number 3. Look, that is 51.84. Now here we use division method, okay, and you know that how to divide that numbers to find, means how to use division method to find out square root of a number. Here decimal is there, so what to do? Look, 5.84. Now first step is just make pair of numbers from right side, okay, right side. Now take first bar, that is 51. Take number whose square is less than 51. So 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. 49 is 64 is greater. So 7 sevens are 49. Subtraction of this one is 2. Okay. Now here you just write down double of 7, otherwise addition of these two numbers. So 7 2s are 14. Now that's come down 84. Okay, next bar come down, but before that one here decimal point is there, so put decimal here. Okay, now here dash and here dash. So what to do? 1 4 dash into dash. Okay, now in dash which numbers comes? So just check here the last digit whose square is 4. After squaring of which number we get 4 at unit place. So they are 2 and 8. Okay, two possibilities are. First we check with 2. 2 2 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and 2 1s are 2. That is 2. So 2s are 284 0 0 0. So your answer is 7.2. That means square root of 51.84 equal to 7.2. Okay, look, fourth one, same, that is 42.25. okay, same here, 42.25, make pair and put bar on that pairs and start. Okay, first bar under number under first bar is 42, so take number whose square is less than 42, that is 6. 6 6 are 36. Here we get 6 number, and here double of 6 is 12. Now 25 comes down, 25. Before 25 decimal is there, so put decimal here. Now here 12, here dash and here dash, means we are having 1 2 dash into dash here. Now after squaring of which number we get 5, only one number is there, that is 5, so directly put 5. 125 5s are 625. So here 5, here 5, here 625, 0 0 0. So your answer is 6.5. So square root of 42.25 equal to 6.5. Okay, last one, number 5, that is 31.36. okay, same, 31.36, make pair of 2's. okay, 31, so that is 5 5s are, because 6 6 are 36 is greater than 31, so 25, that is 6 here. Double of 5 is 10. 36 come down, before that point is there, here point, dash and dash. Okay, now whose square is 6, so 1 0 dash into dash, last is 6, so they are 4 4s are, right, otherwise 6 are. So first we check with 4. 4 4 4 4s are 16. 1 0 and 1, and 4 ones are 4, not possible. So let me check with 6. Okay, 6 6 are 36. 3 carries 6 into 0 0, and here 3 means 3, 6 ones are 6. So your answer is 636, means 6 number. So 6, here 6 630, and here we get 0. So square root of 31.36 equal to 5.6. okay, so You just solve that question 3, okay, in your notebook. In that one, first two, okay, first two questions solve with prime factorization method, and other three just use division method. Okay, next question number 4. Look, what's the question? That is, find the least number which must be subtracted from each of the following numbers so that to get the perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square, so obtain. Okay, so you just find out a smaller. These are not a perfect square numbers, but you just find out a perfect square number after subtracting least lowest number from that one. Okay, so what to do? Here we use question number 4. Okay, in that first one, suppose 402. Okay, 402 is not a perfect square, means you just subtract some numbers from that one, a lowest number, to get perfect square number. So to solve that one, we use division method. Okay, pair of 2's here, same here. So 2 2's are 4, 0. Okay, now double of 2 is 4. Now 0 2 comes down, not possible, means 0 here. Okay, 0 2 and 4 into dash, not possible, so 0. Okay, so here 20 number is there, and remainder is 2. Okay, when you want to subtract a number from given number to get perfect square, that time what to do? You just subtract this number from your perfect square, means given number. Okay, so perfect square number, we want to find out perfect square. Okay, so subtract 2 from 402 to get perfect square number. Okay, to find out that one, when you want to subtract, that time what to do? You just take number means given number minus remainder. Okay, our number minus remainder. So that is 402 minus 2 equal to 400. Okay, now just find out square root of this one. So square root of 400 equal to, here already 20 is there, means that is square of 20. 20 square means square root of that one is 20. Okay, same second one, 1989. Okay, 1989 is not a perfect square number. Just subtract some number from that one to get perfect square. That time what to do? Look, 1989, pair of 2, use division method. 19, so 4 4s are 16, that is 3. 89 comes down. Now here double of 4 is 8. Okay, 8 dash and here dash. Now 8 dash into dash equal to, here 9 is there, so which numbers we take? So they are 3. 3 3s are 9, otherwise 7. Okay, here we check both one, 3 and 3. 3 3s are 9 and 8 3s are 24, and 8 7 and 7 7s are 49. Here 4, 8 7s are 6 and 4 6, that is greater, so we use 3 numbers. So 3, here 3, and 2 4 9. Subtract that one, 0, here 4, and here 1. Okay, that means that is your remainder. Okay, so when you want to subtract that one, what, that time what to do? Number minus remainder. Okay, number minus remainder. So subtract 140 from 1989 to get perfect square number. Okay, so 1989 minus 140 equal to, subtract that one. So 9 minus 0 is 9, 8 minus 4 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8 and 1. Okay. Now find out square root of this one. Square root of 1849 equal to, that is here 43, means 43 square equal to 43. Clear? One more sum. Look, third number, that is 3250. Okay, same here. Factorize that number, means use division method. Make pair of 2. 32, that is less than 5, greater than 5 square and less than 6 square, so use 5. 5 5s are 25. So 32 minus, that is 7. Double of 5 is 10. 50 comes down, here dash and here dash. Okay, so 10 into dash equal to 750. Okay, last digit is 0. So 0 into 0, 100 into 0, that is 0. So that time what to do? So when the 100 is there, here look, 0 and 0, only one possibility is there, 0 0 0. Baba, 100 0 zeros are. That time just take last one, check last one. Okay, here 7 is there, so we take 7, means less numbers, 6 and 6. Okay, 6 6 are 36 and 6 1s are 6, 6 3 6. And next one 107 and 7, just check that one, 7 7 49 and 7 1s are 7, 7 49, that is okay possible. 8 is not possible, so we take 7 here. Okay, and 749, and remainder is 1. Okay, that means when you subtract number minus remainder, sorry. Okay, that means subtract 1 from given number, that is 3250, to get perfect square number. Okay, that means 3250 minus 1 equal to 3249. Okay, and square root of that one, 3249, equal to, that is square of 57. So 57 square equal to 57. That's your answer. Okay, so in that one, fourth one, we already solved 3 questions. Next 2 just solve yourself. Okay, so complete question number 3 and 4 in your notebook. Next question we solve in next period. Okay, thank you.